So, I've been using this device for just a couple days now. It's called the Samsung Galaxy A04s. Please don't be like me and call it the Samsung A04s. Yes, that's what I called it the first time I came across it online. Now, I'm going to be very honest. It's a pretty interesting and quality device, which is also affordable. And I'll be sharing my thoughts about this device right here in this video. So while you're watching, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. On the body, we have the regular button arrangements, as you can see. Right here in front is the dot-in display that houses the selfie camera. On the right is the volume button, which is slightly above the power button that also serves as a fingerprint sensor. On top here is a microphone. By the left is the SIM card slot that houses the SIM card tray for your dual nano SIM card and SD card. Underneath is the 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, the USB Type-C 2.0 charging port, and an external speaker. Behind, we have the triple rear camera and an LED flashlight. My first favorite thing about this device has to be the camera. Now, if you've ever wondered why this device was themed the Eagle, the Samsung A04s has a triple rear camera that features a 50 megapixel main camera alongside a 2 megapixel macro and depth sensor. Now take a look at these. Those pictures you just saw were taken with this very device. Now don't even get me started on the selfie camera. It has a 5 megapixel camera that ensures a crystal and clear selfie picture. I mean, see for yourself. The phone also shoots videos at 30 frames per second, includes an HDR mode and panorama. And of course, to support with lighting, the camera also comes with an LED flashlight. Sound-wise, I'm also satisfied, both with input and output. Hi guys! Just a random video to show off this beauty. Aha! Before I forget, the rear camera also comes with a QR scan option. I mean, you don't need to download a QR code scanner. It's for local, and also you can lock your exposure. Not all Androids can do that. Let's talk about the software. The device runs its operating system on Android 12 and the One UI Core 4 interface. You see, one of the coolest features of the Android 12 is the ability to capture a scrolling screenshots. Yeah, you have that right. Now, if you've ever needed to take multiple screenshots of a long article or text, you can now do so with just a single image. And I'll show you how. When you start taking the screenshots, you have the ability to scroll and capture as much as you need. And also, you can still be redirected to the website from viewing the picture in the gallery if you need to. Another interesting thing about the Android 12 is that it also supports a longer overall battery life, specifically for gaming, whereby you have the option to choose between a performance-based game mode or one which favors your battery life. Basically, I would say everything about the Android 12 is user-friendly. The Samsung A04s is powered by the Exynos 850 chipset, which has an 8nm processor and a 64 and 128GB storage space, both with 4GB of RAM. Now, this very one I have here is the 128GB storage space with 4GB of RAM. And the storage variant of this device is also set to be expandable to 1TB in terms of the micro SD card. For the display, this device features a 6.5-inch PLS LCD with Full HD and a 720 by 1600 pixel display. Also a 90Hz refresh rate, which makes the display pretty smooth. Plus, everything like surfing the internet, watching videos on YouTube, and all that stuff is stable. I also haven't noticed any hangs. And I can confidently say it's suitable for high-end gaming. I mean, this is me playing Call of Duty. And my device isn't freezing. Cool, isn't it? For the battery capacity of this device, it has a 5000 mAh non-removable battery with an octa-core hardware processor. It takes about 2 hours and 15 minutes to charge to 100% when it's entirely down. But then the good thing is that it lasts for hours before it runs down. Now, I had my mobile data turned on the entire time, and I used the device for about 10 hours and was still left with about 46% after that. Although I wish it could charge a bit faster, because then I have to wait 2 long hours before I use my device. Design-wise, I would say I'm very much satisfied. Plus, I love how it feels. Holding it feels really nice. And it weighs 195 grams, which is not so heavy, and it's about 9.1 millimeters thick, and also comes with a plastic rear and frame wheel. Now, it goes for 96,000 naira and 103,000 naira respectively. Now, will I recommend this device? Well, if you are looking for a device of great quality that is also not so expensive, by all means, this is for you. This is from me using this device for just a couple days, and I would say it's a pretty interesting device. Also, let me know what you think about this device down in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also turn on your post notifications so when another amazing video like this one is posted, you'll be the first to know. Thank you for watching, and my name is Buki, and I'm signing off.